Hi there guys, and welcome back to another episode of What the Hell Am I Doing Today? Well, there's a few bits and bobs I need to get done today, and I thought why not take you guys along, because you guys seem to quite like when I do these sort of fixie videos and what I need to do, so why not take you guys along. I do want to say a massive thank you for all the interaction on that last video when I went and visited the doghouse with Jonathan and Di. You guys seem to really like that. I will be going there again, sort of want to go see what those guys are up to, and need to get Jonathan's van put on the video properly, really. So yeah, I will be going there again. If you guys are interested, the link to their Facebook page is in the top of the description. Go over there, have a little chat with them, see what they can offer you. But on to this. This passenger door doesn't work again. I don't quite know why. It is unlocked, but nothing just doesn't open, so I need to get that resolved. I don't have a clue what that's about. I need to do the camber on the front wheels, and there's something else I need to do. Can't remember what it is now, but I can remember you guys said that you quite like the sort of day in a life sort of fly on a wall type video, so here's one. If you guys can help me, if you have a spare glass for the driver's side wing mirror, I'd be very thankful, because mine is not so working. Let's get this door off anyway. Fixed it. I managed to get the door open. The door cards decided to now be my door. What? Will this work now? Well, I can manage to get the door open, but the actuator doesn't seem like it's getting any power. So and hopefully that's now fixed. Locked. Unlocked. Yay! That was an easy fix. It was just the wiring loom. Just needed more connectingness. Also, I need some more of these covers. If anyone's got any. And wing mirror handles. Could do with making this look better. Yay! Well, that's fixed. I'm going to get myself gone because I've got to get ready for work, and I will see you tomorrow, or for you a couple of seconds, when we start attacking the rest of the job. So see you tomorrow. And welcome back to the next day. As you've seen in the last part of the video, it's getting this door to work. Pleased to say it still works so far. So far so good. But I do need to take some camber out of these front wheels because I'm running quite low. I'm getting quite a lot of camber. Not quite a lot, I'm getting some camber, and it's running out my inner tyre edge a lot quicker than the rest of the tyre, so I need to adjust that. Do want to get those DRLs to work again, so I ripped this bumper off and it ripped all the wires out of it. And there's a few other jobs I need to get done, and I remember you guys saying that you kind of like these type of videos, so why not, while I'm doing stuff, bring a camera along and show you. Well, apparently, when I ripped my bumper off, I actually ripped all the wires apart a lot more than I thought. I thought I just ripped the connector off of itself, but apparently I've completely demolished all the wiring, which is not exactly what I wanted, but I'm going to have to rewire all this up. So while I'm doing that, I'll probably put you on a time lapse, probably won't. But I do want to say, since that last video you seen when I went over and seen Jonathan, and he got my fuel pump timing sorted and put that map on for me, this thing's running lovely. When I was there, he did, or Di did say that there's a coolant temp sensor fault, so I need to get, he said just get both of them, which does make sense because I did have an issue where my coolant temp sensor, as soon as you turn it on, before it's even started, it was pinned at 130. So I will be replacing both of them sensors for the coolant temp. He did notice that, I don't know if you guys can remember, but a while ago I was having a little bit of an issue with the, where's that gone there? I was having a little bit of an issue with air getting into my fuel lines. Well, he did say the best, he had a look at it and said he's definitely a bit of air getting in my fuel system. He said, so the best thing to do is, what ends this? That end. He did say the best thing to do is just replace all your, those little plastic fuel lines. So I'm going to get them as well. This thing starts lovely now. Turn the key, 1 or 2 turns is straight away gone. Once I've got that air in the pipe system sorted, this thing should turn on a flick of a key, which will be lovely for a change. So I'm going to get that lot sorted out. But that map that's on there, like I said in the last video, is nothing crazy. It's not made this thing like a little rocket ship, but it's just made it a lot more responsive and happy. So I'm very thankful for that. If you are interested in any of the work that they do over there, they are called the Doghouse. They have a Facebook page. I'll leave that down in the description down below. And yeah, they're based in South Wales in the Tregeaga area. So if you guys are interested, hop over there. I know a few of you have already, so that's brilliant. Thank you for supporting them. But I'm going to carry on wiring this. I think I'll probably get back to you in a minute once, well, a second for you, once this is actually wired up, because there's no point you watching me messing around with wires. So see you in a sec. Well, there's the bumper all back on again and wired up and working, I hope. Let's go find out. Yay! TRLs are working again. Might be a little bit too late for you guys to see, but trust me, they are on. How's that job done? Been meaning to do that for a while. Ta-da! We need to get this wheel off and adjust the camber. Now, these are still quite new tyres, but you can already see they're starting to wear just a little bit on the inner edge, more than it is anywhere else. And that is what we're attempting to fix. That up there, that's your camber adjustment. Now, I've tried to adjust it before and couldn't. What I've heard is, if you would undo this nut under here, which is for the top ball joint, it gives you a little bit more wiggle so you can get this under, and then this bolt has to go to the back. So I'm on the passenger side at the minute, so that has to go to the back, and then on the driver's side, same again. That's what I've heard, so that's what we're going to try. Now, if you're using this video as an informational, that top bolt up there, which is the camber adjustment, is a 19 and extremely tight. Well, I didn't have to undo that bottom bolt in the end for the bottom of the ball joint, which is good. Just hit it with a hammer and it worked. I've now moved it. Hopefully that'll help my tyre wear. And then that is it adjusted. That's where it was and that's where it now is. So hopefully that is that done. Time will tell. Now I need to go do the exact same thing to the other side. Hopefully that'll be my camera adjusted. So I'm going to go over there. I'll probably put you on a time lapse for that bit and get that bit done. That was easy. Well, there's those few little jobs done, dusted. That camber needed doing for a while and I finally got around to doing it. Turns out it was a lot easier than I thought, just hitting it with a hammer, and that got that sorted out. But you can adjust that bottom bolt on the bottom of the top ball joint and it will loosen it a bit more, but luckily enough, if you hit it hard enough with a hammer, it does move. So hopefully that'll help my tyre wear situation. And yeah, it's just a few little knick-knacky jobs that I wanted to get sorted out, so I'm glad I got them finally ticked off the list. There's a few more, but I don't really have the time to do it now. I've got a few other things I need to go and sort out. If you're interested in anything the Doghouse has to offer, any sort of work, welding, fabricating, the link to them will be in the top of the description for their Facebook. Go over, have a chat with them, and yeah, get your van sorted out. And on the review thing, the next video, which will be that thing in there, which you can't quite see, that's going to be the next video, so look forward to, I love that thing, so look forward to that video. But I'm going to stop rambling and get myself gone. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for putting up with my dumbass. And as always, take it easy.